My name is Matt from Easy Test Pools, and today we are in our Derry, New Hampshire store location with April from Latham Pools. April, thanks for being here today.
And thank you for having me here today.
April, there's been a lot of recent buzz and trends in the industry regarding small pools, aka plunge pools. The ones I'm referring to specifically, we'll call them tiled concrete plunge pools. And I can't help but notice a complete lack of functionality and a lack of overall style in these concrete pools. What people may not realize is that fiberglass plunge pools are a better option. Can you speak a bit as to why fiberglass plunge pools are a better choice than concrete?
The plunge pool trend has gotten large, and a big part of it is that a lot of times pools are more for ambiance than swimming. You know, they're not just for families with kids jumping in and diving anymore. It's just for backyard entertaining, and you want seating options, and you want it to look beautiful, right? It becomes an extension of your home, and that's where the fiberglass, the look of the gel coat and you know, our crystal finishes, just they absolutely beautify your backyard.
Right.
And we have so many options. We have everything from our Milan, which is a small flat bottom pool, to some exciting new models that we are offering up here in the Northeast, like the Enchantment that offers, you know, they offer swimming lanes plus seating at multiple levels. We have shelves, tanning ledges, and shelf entry systems that just give you a ton of options, and it's also just adds so much beauty with the, again, the beautiful gel coat is just an extension of your home and design for your backyard.
And tile concrete pools, you know, while they're popular, you know, they can definitely be kind of dull and gray. Sometimes some models are hard to get into, you know, things like that. And you know, you can accomplish the same type of a setup with a fiberglass plunge pool versus a concrete tiled pool. Like April did just say, it's an extension of your home. You know, it's like a living room, but it's outside. You know, if you wanted to give me a call or click on the link below, my cell phone is 603-453-2845. Again, my name is Matt from Easy Test Pools. Thank you.